In this video, we're going to do a quick review of the properties and operations. The commutative property of addition is when I have something like 1 plus 2 plus 3. And in the commutative property, you will notice that the numbers will change. So instead, 2 will come first, plus, and then maybe it might be 1 plus 3. So the parentheses have not changed location, but the numbers have. For multiplication, it's the same property. It might be 1 times 2 times 3, and instead it becomes 2 times 1 times 3. So once again, the one which is listed first becomes listed second. The associative property deals with when the numbers are in the same exact order, but the parentheses change. So for this, the associative property of addition is 1 plus parentheses 2 plus 3, close parentheses. And then on the other side, it's parentheses 1 plus 2, close parentheses, plus 3. So in both these, the order is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. It's just what is grouped together change. So commutative property deals with commute. It deals with changing place. Associative property deals with how things are associated together. And the same properties will hold for both addition and multiplication. Associative property, I could do 1 times 2 times 3 will be the same thing as if I do 1 times the quantity 2 times 3 in parentheses. For the identity property, it deals with if I have a number, what do I have to add to it to get that number back? In this case, it's 0. So adding 0 is the identity property of addition. For multiplication, if I take the 6 times what would give me 6, the identity property would be 1. What I can also review is something called conversion factors. Particularly when I look at this identity property. So if I have something like 3 meters, and I want to know how many centimeters is that, I can say 3 meters. If I want to get rid of the meters, I can stick the meters down the bottom, and I can put centimeters on top. And I know that in 1 meter, there are 100 centimeters. 100 centimeters and 1 meter is the same quantity. So then I can just multiply 3 times 100 is 300. The only unit I have left is the centimeters, so that's in my answer because the meters cross off. So we're going to practice some using these conversion factors, but it's using those units to help you, units of measurement to help you get to the answer.